Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork, and happy Friday. It's Friday, June 10th, heading into the summer here. Kids are starting to get out, so hopefully you guys got some great upcoming plans. Hey, we got one economic news related to go over, and that is the first report of the consumer sentiment. We get two of these, and this is the first one for the month of June. So back in May, we did have a 94.7 on there, so people were feeling pretty good. Forecast 93.8, and it did pull back a little bit just because all the uncertainty with all the stuff with the political aspects, what's going on the global event, just a lot kind of going on out there. So it did pull back a little bit, 94.3, but nothing to be alarmed. You're talking 0.4% or zero point 0.4 on the index, so not very much. Stock market's down a bit. It's kind of getting its cues more from the FOMC coming up next week. There's still a little bit of jitters as to they don't expect the rates to go up next week. But as to the timing when it might happen is what's creating more of the jitters when it might happen, because we had some not so good job numbers come in. We had they were talking. Janet Yellen, when she gave her speech last week, was pretty dovish, being more accommodative. But even though she did say it will be coming, but didn't give a specified time frame. So that's creating a little bit of a jitters as to what's going on. And then of course you got the Brexit coming up. They had their election going on the 23rd of this month, and that one's going to be very close. They're basically saying that's going to be a nail biter. It's so close on either side that it could happen, or they may remain. And because of closeness on the polls, it's creating a little anxiety. Oil, it dipped below $50 as we saw earlier this week. It did go up to like 51, and then today, due to the stronger dollar, oil went up. And the dollar went up primarily because the FOMC next week. But oil price came down. It's like 49.60 something right now as we're doing this. Bond market, we had a bond roller, so don't disregard this. It was about 25 basis points, so we would actually, if we had started, we would be upwards. But right now we're kind of about flat, so there's really not a whole lot of change in the pricing from where we were yesterday. But just disregard this, because this is what they call a bond rollover. And what happens is that they take all the 30 days sold mortgages and they package them up and they sell them on Wall Street. On this, and this is how we get our pricing and interest rates here, okay, and why they fluctuate so much. But right now we're at for the day they're basically saying we're up at 16 basis points, but again, I would disregard that. There's really no change in pricing from where we left off yesterday. All right, folks, remember next week we got the FOMC, so that will be the main cue come Wednesday. So they'll start their meeting on Tuesday, and Wednesday is when they'll give their announcement about 11 o'clock, 11:15 Pacific Standard Time. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.